Welcome to this tutorial on setting up SyncMate to send WhatsApp messages through Make scenarios. To begin, navigate to the configuration page in your Assistro account and complete the initial setup to link your WhatsApp number via QR code. This is the foundational step that enables the entire automation workflow. Once the WhatsApp connection is active in Assistro, the next step is to activate the Make add-in. This add-in is what bridges the functionality of SyncMate with the automation capabilities of the Make platform. With the add-in active, proceed to the Make platform to create your new automation scenario. Start a new scenario and search for the SyncMate app. You will be prompted to authorize or enter connection details. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to establish a secure and active connection. Finally, to confirm everything is working, you will configure and send a test message. In your SyncMate module within the Make scenario, specify the recipient's number. It is absolutely essential to remember to include the full country code at the beginning of the number to ensure the message is delivered correctly. Execute the scenario to send the test message and verify successful delivery. And that's it. You have successfully set up SyncMate to send automated WhatsApp messages via a Make scenario.